We take this moment together to breathe in, to close the outer eyes and open the inner awareness. Take over this place. Sweet holy oneness, sweet source of all life energy beingness. I am alive. I am on purpose. Be in me my focus. Release in me my distractions. Release through me any attachments. Release for me any boundaries. Here I am.
Sweet spirit, sweet spirit, oh, take over this place. 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 Take over this place.
Breathing in, in a time, in a moment of meditation. In whatever way you become comfortable, just relax into where you are. This is your moment of mindfulness and meditation. This is the practice.
Can we fully connect with the energy in which we exist? The allness of it, the everything of it, the divine nature of it. Out of this energy, out of this source, we are created. And in this energy, in this source, we exist. Every day, every moment, every breath, we have opportunity to know, to see clearly, to know in our heart of hearts who we are. We know that we are here in this skin suit, on this planet, in this play called life. We are here to express to the highest of our consciousness, to the highest of our ability, to express divine wisdom, divine love. We are here to express our spiritual character, the attributes of divine mind, of God, of spirit, of source that are yearning and longing to be expressed as us. Take over this place. Take over this heart. In the words of Isaiah, "Oh God, create in me a pure heart." Let us go there in the silence, in the breath. As we embody this presence, this divine nature, the energy of divine love, I invite us all to wake up our hearts and to sing and dance in the presence, in the moment, always giving thanks. Namaste.